Good morning, everyone. In the last class, we discussed about clock arithmetic addition. Today, we are going to discuss about clock arithmetic subtraction. How to find the difference in the clock system. How to find the difference in the clock system. We are going to define the clock system the subtraction with respect to few ideas. See, in simple case, you want to travel abroad. You want to book the ticket. You went to the travel agent. He said your flight is at 1 o'clock. You have to report 3 hours before to the airport. So, what is the meaning of this? That means I am going to report at minus 2 hours. Do we have any negative timing? Now, in this case, how I am going to calculate when I have to report? Let me give you another example. Your relation is staying somewhere abroad, and they said we are 3 hours behind your timing or 4 hours behind your time. Now, how you are going to calculate the timing in the other zone? For this, we should know about inverse. We should know about inverse. You know that very well. In our clock arithmetic system, we have a number starting from 0, 1, 2, and up to 11. I am going to find the inverse of each number. I am going to find the inverse of each number or each element. What is the meaning of inverse? Before going to discuss about inverse, we should know what is additive identity. What is additive identity? The meaning of identity, whenever I add a number to any of this numbers, I should get the same. For example, I'm going to take 0. You know that very well. 0 is the additive one identity. When I add any number to 0, I will be getting the same number. So 0 plus 11 is 11. 0 plus 5 is 5. So 0 is the additive identity. Now, using this idea, we are going to discuss about the additive inverse of the system. Arithmetic system. But when I say additive inverse, when I say add, for example, I want to add 1, I'm going to add some number, I have to get the value 0. But you know that very well, when I add a number, the number will be above 0. So in clock arithmetic, we know that very well, whenever we get the multiples of 12, the system will be reset into 0 because this is what we said. 0 is the additive in identity. So I'm going to make the other idea whenever we find 12, then this is equal to 0, that the number will be considered as the additive inverse. So for example, when I take 1, when I add 11, then I will get 12, so which will be reset to 0. That means 11 is the additive inverse of 1. For example, I am going to take 2. When I add 10, then this is again 12, which will be reset to 0. So therefore, the additive inverse of 2 is 10. In the same idea, we can take all the additive inverse of all the 11 numbers. So for our convenience, I am going to add a table to show you what are all the additive inverse for all the 11 numbers. So you know that very well. For example, I am going to take the number as a, then the additive inverse shall be defined as minus 1. What is the additive inverse of 1? 11. So 11 plus 1, 12. So 11 is the additive inverse of 8. When I take 2, the additive inverse is 10. 10 plus 2 is 12. When I take 3, the additive inverse is 9. When I take 4, the additive inverse is 8. When I take 5, the additive inverse is 7. When I take 6, the additive inverse is 6. Now it will go in the opposite direction. When I take 7, the additive inverse is 5. And so on. So when I take 11, the additive inverse will be 1. So now using this idea, we are going to define the clock arithmetic subtraction, or we call it as the difference in the clock system. We call it as the difference in the clock system. How to find this, we are going to discuss now. See, for this, we are going to define the difference in clock. How we are going to define, for example, I am having two numbers or two elements A and B belongs to A and B belongs to the clock system. Then what is A minus B? We are going to define A minus B as A plus minus B. We are going to define A minus B as A plus minus B. Minus B is nothing but the inverse of B. Minus B is nothing but the inverse of B. We are going to find some problems. We are going to define some problems on this. Let me take a sample problem. The difference clock system. Then clock. For example, I want to find what is A minus B. I am going to write with respect to our definition. This is A plus minus B. I am going to find the additive inverse of 3. What is additive inverse of 3? This is 9. So 8 plus 9 equals 17. The number is above 12. That means I am going to subtract from 12. So 17 minus 12, the answer is 5. So when I find 8 minus 3 in the clock system, the time will be 5. In the opposite, for example, I want to find what is the 8 minus 11. Again, I am going to use the same idea, 8 plus minus 11. So I am going to find the additive inverse of 11. What is the additive inverse of 11? This is 1. So 8 plus 1, the time will be considered as 9. So this is how we are going to make, or we are going to find the difference in the clock system. So we are going to find the difference in the